We will start this video in a second, but before we start I have some gifts for you, but I guess there is someone that will explain it way better than me.
It has been a very good idea to click this video of my friend, Success Animation, your #1 YouTuber when it comes to being successful with women. If there is one thing I would like to recommend you, then to click the link to be able to receive the newest ebooks, presentations, and articles via email, to learn everything you need to be successful with women.
Secrets to make a difficult woman fall in love with you. So guys, we all know that some women are harder to fall in love with guys. But guess what? I will give you some special tips to make women fall in love with you, which you thought of would be unable to fall in love with you. So the first tip is patience. We all know this woman, which will always find excuses to go out with you. Some will find really creative excuses and others will just tell you dumb excuses no one would ever believe. But no matter what excuses they will use, in the most cases, the best chance to make her stop these excuses and go on a date with you is simply to be patient. By showing her your patience, she will recognize that you are a person which will fight for his dreams and not going to stop by just one simple no. She also has to make you wait because she wants to show you her value on the market. She wants to show you she is someone not everyone can date right away. Next tip is to never annoy her. Sounds strange and simple, but let me explain it to you in more detail. Too much interest is a problem. Stop calling her 5 times a week, simply reduce it to 2 times a week. She will see that you have other things to do and would not see you as a needy faggot, which has nothing in his life, instead of calling her all the time. So make sure to think about these tips, and make sure to watch till the end, because of what I am free presentation of my friend Bobby Rio. He is the man when it comes to this topic. Just check out what other people think about him. He will show you everything step by step. Just click the link in the description to see the full video.
This goes out to Bobby Rio.
Bobby Rio.
Bobby Rio.
Bobby Rio, my man.
I love Bobby Rio.
This is a shout out to Bobby Rio. This is Brett Favre.
Hey, it's Lenny Dykstra.
It's your boy here, Sean Lights Out Merriman.
Kenny Wallace, brother.
Bobby Rio.
The dating coach.
You're a great teacher and coach.
Thank you for the Scrambler.
Scrambler.
The Scrambler.
The Scramblers.
The Scrambler. Scrambler. Man, I don't know what you've done.
Because you guys, Bobby Rio and Rob Judge, you guys are a couple.
He will show you everything step by step. Just click the link in the description to see the full video.